Yes, in this video we have 3x raised to the power 3, 6x squared, 11x plus 6. Normally this is a polynomial format. Anywhere we see x raised to the power 3, 2, 1, an ordinary arbitrary number is a polynomial format. Now, in order to solve this as simple as possible, to find the root of this equation without wasting much of your time, using CASIO calculator. Here. With this calculator, you can divide and find the root of this equation within 1 minute. Let's go. Now, in polynomial, here is regarded as a. The coefficient of x raised to the power 3 is regarded as a, where the coefficient of x squared is regarded as b. Then the coefficient of x raised to the power 1 is regarded as c. Then c, this very 6 ordinary only number, is now regarded as d. Now let us go. If you wish to solve this using this calculator, now what you will do is this: power on your calculator, head on to mode, then tap equation under 1, then you see unknown 2 and 3, right? Then tap mode again, you see degree 2 and 3 again, right? Then you move to 3, sorry. Let's start afresh. You move to mode, you press 1, you go back to mode, then you head on to 3. Then the calculator is now asking you what is a. Then according to this equation now, our a is the coefficient of x raised to the power 3, which is 1. Therefore, here now we have 1. You tap equal sign. Now the calculator is asking you which one is b. Then our b is x, the coefficient of x squared, which is 6. Then you come back, you press 6, head on to equal sign. Then the calculator is now asking you what is c. The c now is the coefficient of x, which is 11. Then you go back to the calculator, press 11, tap equal sign. Then it's also asking you lastly which one is d. D is the number, the last number before equal sign, which is 6. Then you go back to the calculator, tap 6, then equal sign. Then we have x1 as minus 1, x2 as minus 3, and x3 as minus 2. Then we jot it down. x1 is equals to minus 3, x2 minus 2, then x3 minus 1. These are the roots of this equation. If you want to confirm whether what you solved is really true, the procedure you will use is very simple. Let this 3 cross sign of equality, these 2 cross sign of equality, minus 1 also cross sign of equality. Then you have x plus 3 then x plus 2, x plus 1. Then open the bracket. For us to open the bracket, let us first of all open the bracket of this verse 2, after which we open the bracket of the remaining one. Now x multiplied by x, we have x squared. X multiplied by 2 is equals to 2x, 3 multiplied by x, 3x, 3 times 2, 6. Now we have x squared plus 6x, 5x plus 6 multiplied by x plus y. Now multiply all again. X multiplied by this, you have x raised to the power 3. X multiplied by 5, we have 5x squared. X multiplied by 6, we have 6x. 1 multiplied by x squared, I have x squared. 1 multiplied by 5x, we have 5x squared, 5x plus 6. Now rearrange the equation. We have x raised to the power 3, then square 5x squared and x squared will give us 6x, which is x raised to the power 3 plus 6x squared plus 5 plus 6 will give us 11x, then plus 6, which is equal to our initial equation. That means that the root of this equation is x minus 3, x2 minus 2, and x3 minus 1. Solved with CASIO calculator. Thanks for watching.